We are pleased to show you the 2020 Leaf. The Nissan Leaf, or leading, environmentally friendly, affordable family car, is an electric car you can truly feel good about driving. Zero emissions plus zero gasoline equal more green on the road and more green in your wallet. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, regenerative braking system, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, driver attention alert system, heated steering wheel. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.